Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Calculating p-values and confidence intervals for partial correlation in Python can be a valuable statistical analysis technique, especially when you want to understand the relationship between variables while controlling for the influence of other variables. In this tutorial, we will use the Pingouin library, which is an open-source Python package for statistical analysis. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed, and you have the Pingouin library installed. You can install it using pip. Additionally, you'll need other common Python libraries, so ensure you have numpy, pandas, and scipy installed as well. You'll need a dataset containing the variables of interest. For this example, let's assume you have a dataset in CSV format, with columns X, Y, Z, and W. You can read the data using pandas. To calculate partial correlations, you can use the partial_corr function from the Pingouin library. It takes the data frame and the variables you want to compute partial correlations for. In this example, we're calculating the partial correlation between X and Y while controlling for the influence of Z and W. The covar parameter is used to specify the covariates. Now, you can access the partial correlation coefficient, p-value, and the confidence interval from the result. You can print these values to the console to interpret the results. Here's a complete example using randomly generated data. Make sure to replace the sample data with your actual dataset for a real analysis. That's it. You've successfully calculated the p-value and confidence interval for the partial correlation between two variables while controlling for other covariates using Python and the Pingouin library. This technique can be valuable in many research and data analysis scenarios. ChatGPT